enhance your indoor garden with creative wall decor ideas. Welcome to our channel. Today we are dividing into the realm of interior garden decor, focusing on how to elevate your indoor garden space with a unique wall decoration using plant pots. Whether you have a small apartment, balcony, or a spacious living room, these ideas will help you bring nature indoors while adding a touch of style to your space. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you like this idea, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Transform a berry wall into a lush vertical garden by arranging a variety of plant pots in different sizes and shapes. Mix and match plants with a varying texture and colors to create visually interesting. Consider using wall mount planters or hanging baskets for a dynamic display. This not only maximizes space but also adds a striking focal point on your room. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Turn your kitchen wall into a functional and beautiful herb garden by installing shelves or racks to hold series of herb pots. Not only will have a fresh herbs at your fingertips and cooking, but you have also create charming display that brings to life of your culinary space. Use herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary for both your culinary use and aesthetics appeal. If you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Create a stunning piece of living art by arranging succulent plants in a pattern or design on a wall mount frame. Succulents come in variety of shapes, size and colors, allowing you get creative with your arrangement. Use combination of trailing and frosty shaped succulents to add dimension and texture to your living wall art. With these creative ideas, you can turn any blank wall into a stunning focal point for your indoor garden. Whether you prefer sleek and modern design or rustic and electric styles, there are also wall decor option to suit to every taste and space. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.